the living organism made up of with the help of activity number 5.1. Okay. Now in this activity, what we have to take? Let us take a small piece of onion. Okay, onion bulb. एक onion bulb ले लेंगे. Can you see this onion bulb? Okay, this onion bulb. Uh, Take it out this part. This is there are onion bulb are many layers of the skins. You see, you know that, isn't it? Peel off करने का है उसको this part और ये जो concave part है, ठीक है, concave part है. Then after this you take it out and keep this peel into the watch glass containing the water. यहाँ पे आपने रख दिया उसको. Then why we immediately have to keep it under water? It should not, your peel, as soon as you take out the peel from the onion, it should be dry very immediately, and that is why we have to keep under the water. Then take it, the brush, with the help of brush, take it out and place it in a glass slide. This is the glass slide. Okay, यहाँ पे उसको place कर दिया. Suppose this is your peel. This is your peel. That is called onion peel. Then what you have to do? You have to add the saffron stain. What is this saffron stain? Saffron, SAFFARINE, saffron stain. Saffron stain is used to stain, or staining means to giving the color, isn't it? To giving the color. Color देने का काम आता है, so that you can observe each and every part of the cells, isn't it? So whenever we use the saffron, that means the plant cell. It is always used in the plant cells, isn't it? And one of the another stain is there, which used in animal cells. That is called the methylene blue. METHYLENE, methylene blue stain. Okay, this methylene blue for the animal cells. Okay, now come to our experiment. Now keeping this, adding some saffron stain, allowed to stain for the 2 minutes. Okay, then put a glass, that is called the glass cover. Put the glass cover, that is called the cover slip डालने का है, so that your material or the onion peel should not be fallen off. And then your slide is now ready to observe under the microscope. Now this is the compound microscope. You have seen that the compound, what is present in the compound microscope? There's 2 magnifying lenses are there. Magnifying lenses, this is the eyepiece. Okay, this is the lens, and then put this is a stage of the microscope, and here we have to keep our slides. So what you see under the microscope, okay, you will see that, वो भी हम देख लेते हैं कि कैसा दिखता है अंदर में. It look like a brick wall, isn't it? It look like a brick walls. तो ये brick walls अगर हम बनाएंगे तो कैसे दिखेगी? देखो इस प्रकार से दिखेगी. ये brick wall हमने बना लिया, तो it is like a brick wall. हाँ, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही दिखता है उसके अंदर में. और ये आपके अंदर में न्यूक्लियस, ठीक है, ये आ गया न्यूक्लियस. एंड one more organelle that is called a very small liquid like structure that is called a cytoplasm, and this is called the cell wall. This is called the nucleus, and this is called the cytoplasm. तो ये जो 3 जो चीज हमें दिखते हैं उसके अंदर में, जैसे आपका यहाँ पिक्चर दिख रहा है, this is the cells of onion peel. Can you see the cells? And it look like a brick walls, isn't it? Now this is the very interesting picture you can see under the microscope, and we have the practicals in the 9th standard. Okay, the first practicals when we start the regular classes in the school, जब चालू होगी तब हमारा पहला practical इसी का ही रहेगा, to observe the onion cells, okay, under the microscope. We have to make the temporary, this is called the temporary slides we are making. Some slides are there which are make that permanent slide. We have to observe the permanent slide. तो वो अलग रहेगा, वो भी हम देखेंगे permanent slide भी, लेकिन हमें ये बनाना है अपने हाथ से. So we will make afterwards this slide. Okay, thank you. Student, we have seen previously the onion root peel onion peels, and that we can try the preparing the temporary mounds of the leaf peels. तो अगर हमने यहाँ पे ये जो है ये क्या चीज़ है, ये रूट, ठीक है, ये रूट टिप है, that is called the root tip, and this is called the onion peel, पर्पल अनियन पील, जैसे हमने देखा ना अभी ऑनियन का पील. तो दिस इज द एक्चुअल इमेज, दिस इज द एक्चुअल इमेज, ओके, which when we look under the microscope. So what happens when the root when we prepare this all this observations. Now after performing the above activity, let us what are the answers to for ये questions यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. See this question 1, question 2, question 3 and question 4. तो हमें पता करना है कि क्या हम इसमें से निष्कर्ष निकाल सकते हैं, isn't it? So first question is given that do all the cells look alike in terms of shapes and size? No, there are different, because see this, the root tips are different, okay, and this is rectangular in shape, so these are some different, okay, shapes and size में different होता है. Now what is the second question? Do all the cells look alike in structures? No, this is also no. There are differences. This is an elongation. This is an elongation part. This is also a circular part, isn't it? So, cells look alike? No, they are then different in shape, isn't it? Different in shape. What is the third question? Could we find differences among the cells from the different parts of the plant body? Yes, because all the cells are some different in shapes, isn't it? Different plants. Suppose if we take the plant of the coconut plant, if we take the plant of banyan plant or the people plant, so the shapes may vary, isn't it? For example, अगर मैं उसमें से ले लेता हूँ उसके कुछ ऑर्गेनल्स ले लेते हैं. कौन कौन से ऑर्गेनल्स लेंगे? जैसे व्हाट इज द स्पेशलिटी इन प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल, isn't it? Cell wall is the main similarity that all the plant cells have the cell wall, isn't it? So और what is the similarities in animal में है cell membrane, ठीक है, this is the cell membrane. तो ये हमको देखने का है. और एक सेल प्लांट के इसके अंदर क्लोरोफिल होता है, क्लोरोफिल इज प्रेजेंट, isn't it, in the plant. And what is present in the cytoplasm? It is present, cytoplasm रहता है एनिमल सेल्स के अंदर में, isn't it? साइटोप्लाज्म. और एक प्रोटोप्लाज्म भी रहता है, प्रोटोप्लाज्म हमने पढ़े थे. तो प्रोटोप्लाज्म इज प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल सेल्स, सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट सेल्स. अब लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्या है लास्ट क्वेश्चन? व्हाट similarities could we find? Yes, we can find some similarities. ये similarities हम देख सकते हैं कि न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है, isn't it? न्यूक्लियस तो दोनों में प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है. वैक्यूल भी प्रेजेंट है, वैक्यूल भी दोनों में, प्लांट में भी एनिमल दोनों में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, isn't it? प्लांट में भी प्रेजेंट न्यूक्लियस वैक्यूल, लेकिन बहुत बड़े होते हैं. प्लांट में कैसे होते हैं? बहुत बड़े होते हैं, बिगर इन साइज. और एनिमल सेल्स में बहुत छोटे होते हैं, isn't it? पर होते हैं. So this is the similarities can be seen. बहुत सारे ऐसे हो सकते हैं सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, isn't it, which can be seen under the plant and animals. Understand? This is the activity number 5.2. Okay, here we complete the activity number 5.2. Thank you.
Students, if you have any doubts related to this topic, please do not hesitate to ask. Write your doubts in the comment box. I will answer your question. Thank you.